Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kelsie Jordan. I am back with another video today showing you one of my favorite recipes that I've been using for years on end. Today is one of my favorite days, aka Taco Tuesday. So if you're looking for a new recipe, you come to the right place. For starters, I've been using ground turkey, Genio to be exact, for years. If you haven't noticed, I put an excessive amount of oil in the pan just because, you know, ground turkey can be so dry, so adding extra oil makes up for that dryness. A few little small disclaimers: one, why am I using a spoon? Because I want to, and two, I heard that you all be talking about people's pots and pans in the comments on YouTube. I'm gonna tell you right now, this pot ain't going nowhere anytime soon because it loves me and I love it. Next to the seasonings, I'm just showing you the brand of steak seasoning I prefer. I accidentally grabbed the smoky version, so now I'm moving on to an off-brand one. But yeah, McCormick is it if you are looking for steak seasoning. Pepper is very optional in this recipe.
And apparently it was lotion because
onion powder, not so optional. And as you get to know me more as a chef, you will notice that I love my Tony's Creole seasoning. I'm just letting that cook down, and this is the first major key: onions. I don't want to hear you guys can be childish as heck when it comes to onions, bell peppers, and mushrooms. Trust me, honey, this is needed. It's absolutely necessary. Once you cook it down, you're not gonna have onion breath. So please, let's just give this a try and grow up. If you like onions and all the grown, mature, taste bud vegetables, thumbs up and leave it in the comments and let these people know what it really is. Now, this is my favorite brand of taco seasoning. Okay, like when I see this in the store, I grab at least 4 to 5 at a time and I save it. I don't know what happened to it. I guess I ran out, but I did have this one. But the point I'm trying to get at is use a hot and spicy taco seasoning. Like, that's a major key alert. Now, I don't know if you all had some hot sauce that wasn't really hot. It was more so flavorful. This is that. So if you're scared of spicy, don't be. This is adding flavor to the dish more than anything. Now I'm adding more water to the pot. You probably thought I had enough already, which you were right. But I want the flavors to reduce down, simmer a bit, and soak up all of that flavor from the taco seasoning. Now notice how I moved the meat up and the water covers the bottom of the pot. That's how you know you have enough cooking liquid in there. So, as always, taste as you go. I decided I need to use the entire packet for this brand and a little bit more steak seasoning. And once that water is reduced down, I'm about to hit you with the most important stuff of this video. Turn that heat off and stir in that cilantro. Baby, this cilantro is a game changer. The reason why I tell you to turn that heat off though is because it'll literally kill all of the flavors. So you want to add this at the very end. Stir it on up and watch those flavors work. I guarantee you have never had a ground turkey taco as good as this. That is my final product. Now, I'm not here to show you how to garnish. I'm just telling you my secret on how to make a taco meat. As a cute little mini tip, if you want your taco shells to stand up, add slices of lemon or lime. I didn't have any lime, so I'm using lemon. And this is my famous taco recipe. If you all decide to give this a try, thumbs up, let me know in the comments. And thank you for tuning in to another video. Bye.